What up guys, today we're gonna watch the sound effects for the Smurfs movie. A lot of people are not liking this right now. They're not liking the influencer Smurfs thing. That's become a meme. They're just not liking it, and that's sad. Like, I expected this to be good. And also this is a musical. We're not gotten much in the original songs, but hopefully we are. But yeah, let's get started.
That's a thing. Because if my thing is my distinct absence of a thing, I'm actually
James Gordon.
nothing. Hey, sound effects Smurf, can you back off? Even he's got a thing. And he's only been here since Tuesday.
Please don't stop the music. In Smurf Village, every day is a party.
Nothing ever goes wrong.
Everyone, Smurf Village isn't safe anymore. Go to the real world.
Papa Smurf's been kidnapped. Let's go save Papa.
Let's Smurf it up. Who are you?
I'm Cap, Papa Smurf's brother. Sorry, I was just doing a quick exfoliation. I never have time for self-care. Gargamel and his brother Rozamel have Papa.
Did you get my emails?
No, I blocked you.
Why?
I got tired of looking at pictures of your cat.
Hey, Smurfs, follow us.
It's time for you to find out what a Smurf really is.
Okay, here's the plan. Sneak into the castle and save everything.
You ate all the fries.
Okay, I'm a stress eater.
I make heaven a place on earth. Please don't stop the music. Please don't stop the music.
I've always looked good in blue.
This July,
Smurf Village isn't safe anymore.
to save their world,
We gotta rescue Papa.
they must come to ours.
I think I just smurfed my pants.
Please don't stop the music.
Sorry about the mess. I have a weakness for guacamole. And yes, I double dipped.
Smurfs. Trailer online now.
Thank you.
Well, guys, that was the sound effects for the Smurfs movie. Yeah, that was an interesting video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and all that. I'm tired, so I'm gonna go to bed. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.